What's going on? And welcome back. So today we're going to do something a little different with Project Stepchild. We are going to totally transform the look of the front of my 2016 Mustang GT. If you are new to the channel, this is my 2016 Mustang GT, Project Stepchild. We got a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger, Tremec T56 Magnum XL transmission, and we are about to change the look of this car. I've had this grille on the front. This is an Icon Motorsports LED grille. I've had this on the car for a few years now, and it's time to change things up. We're gonna go with a different Icon grille that I think is gonna really look good on the car. And we're also adding a little something else to the car to give it a different look, to look more aggressive, and yeah, to just kind of change it up. You know, it's been a while, and change is good. It's good to change things up a bit, and yeah, I want it to look good and look different for this year, because the car should be a lot faster and more aggressive. So I want the look to match the performance. So hopefully I'll accomplish that, all of that this year. And yeah, so let's get busy. Got somebody coming over to lend a hand from a local Mustang group, Soda City Mustangs. So man, that's gonna be awesome to have some help here, and this shouldn't take too long at all with two people. So let's get busy, let's get into it, let's get this done. All right, y'all, so a little bit of bad news. Didn't do any filming yet of the install because it's basically just removing the bumper. There are so many videos on YouTube about that. Not a big deal, it's not too hard. But we ran into a problem yet again. Imagine that, having problems. So we took the original grills out and started with the lower grill, trying to put it in the bumper, and we couldn't get it to go. It didn't fit. We got all the way from one side all the way over to the other side in the corner there, and it just didn't fit. It wouldn't fit. The grill was actually larger than the opening, so that was a no-go. So then we decided, well, let's try the upper grill and see how that works. Well, it fits, but there are gaps around the edges. It just didn't look good at all, unfortunately. So my idea of running the Icon grill to save a little bit of cash kind of backfired on me. The original grill, the LED grill that's in the car, it is Icon as well. So man, I really don't understand why the new grill doesn't fit. I mean, they know what fits, they know what works. The original LED grill fit great. It was perfect. So, but I don't know. So anyway, we couldn't get that installed, the lower or the upper. So I did order the Cervinis grill, upper grill, just the upper grill. Yeah, I broke down and ordered the Cervinis. Didn't want to because it's expensive. That's the original grill that I was looking at and was trying to save a few bucks. So I ended up ordering it anyway. So I don't know, it is what it is. But we did accomplish a few things today. So on the lower grill, we decided to take the stock grill and just do a grill delete on it. So I'm gonna show you that, and we also installed some, I guess, splitters you call them, beneath the turn signals. I think they look pretty good. Those are Icon as well, and they fit great. So yeah, the grill, I don't understand how they messed that one up. But anyway, let me turn the camera around and let me show you the splitters and the lower grill, because it does look really good. All right, so here we go, man. There is the lower grill delete. And as you can see, the splitters between the turn signals and the fog lights. I think they turned out really well. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see them. I think those look really good. Yeah, those turn out pretty good. A little bit of 3M tape in that area there, and then there's one screw that holds them in back there. They're in there pretty secure. I don't think they're going anywhere, and they fit really well. They look good on there, I think. A cool change. Change up the look just a little bit this year, as sometimes we like to do, just to kind of make things a little different for ourselves. But as you can see, there's no upper grill. It's sitting over there along with the lower. Yeah. But let me show you the grill delete. Did a quick little grill delete on the bottom. I think it looks really good. Is it perfect? Nah, but who cares? I mean, it's low. I mean, it's good. It's not like it's filled with flaws, but yeah, it looks good. But for the little bit of time we had, I think it looks great. So let's go and look at the other side. And as you can see, you just basically cut out the honeycomb, I guess you'd call it, part of it. And yeah, that's all you got to do. So that is done. I do want to show you one other thing real quick. Okay, so my radiator cover is upside down. Just want to show you I have this switch under here. I had it for some underhood lighting that I disconnected long ago. But let me show you something really cool. I just want to add it to the video because I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, I took this switch and instead of lighting, I hooked this up as an alternate power source to the intercooler pump. So basically, between rounds, I can flip the switch and run the intercooler and help to cool that bad boy down so we can try to eliminate heat soak a little bit. So let me turn this on. Here we go. And as you can hear, and as you can see, right there, the pump is running. So I just thought that was really cool, man. And like I said, I'll be able to turn that on between rounds and keep this thing cool. Try to keep it cool. That might work. We'll see how that works. Everything was already there, so I really didn't have to do much to make that functional, but yeah, that's cool. But yeah, like I said, I thought that was really cool and wanted to share that with you guys. So I am at a standstill, unfortunately, and I have to pick this video up when the new grill comes in. Shouldn't take but a couple days, and we'll have it here and we'll be able to put it in. For me, it'll be a few days. For you, same video, so not too big of a deal for you guys. But anyway, man, let's wait a few days and we'll be back with the new grill and we'll put it in. All right, y'all, so we are back. It's been a couple days, and this is the new grill. This is the Cervinis grill. It's pretty stout, man. A heck of a lot more stout than the Icon. Let me flip this over. Get you a look at the top. It's pretty nice, man. I'm really digging the quality. The quality seems really, really good. But yeah, so now I get to put these clips on. If you can see that clip there, they go on each one of these all around the entire grill. So let me get that accomplished and then we can put it in the bumper, which is still sitting over there. All right, so real quick, I want to show you this. I want to show you how the Cervinis grill is designed to hold itself in there. So basically, as I showed before, you got all these clips that you screw in. And let me see if I can get you in on this one. Basically, there's a little ledge inside there on the grill itself, and your tab will sit right in there. So when the clip is on, as you can see that clip, it comes all the way down here. When it's on, it's going to squeeze that tab and hold it in there. So it actually holds it really well. I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm not sure why they had to do it this way, but I guess it works, and as far as, you know, holding up longevity, I guess that's to be seen. So anyway, I'm going to finish this up, and then let's see if we can get it set on the car. All right, so one other quick thing before we put this back on the car. inside there in the middle there, that's your like 8 mph crash bar support thing, whatever you want to call it. That basically goes against the metal piece on the front of the car. Now, the problem I'm having is I have the Steeda front bumper support and not the OEM crash bar. So, since normally this piece clips onto the factory grille, we lose that. So the instructions say to tape it onto the crash bar. Now, obviously that's not going to work on my application because, like I said, I am using the Steeda bumper support. But here's what I did to remedy the situation. The lower grille is the factory grille. We just cut out the back side to get rid of the honeycomb. And you do have one clip right there, and you have another clip over here. Now that's fine and dandy, but what about the top? Well, this is what I'm doing with the top. Actually kind of slid it under that screw there and under that screw there. So hopefully that'll all hold everything in place, and you know, that won't go anywhere. So anyway, now let's see if we can get this thing on the car. All right, so one more thing to mention that made this install easy with the Cervinis grill is, man, get you a soft blanket or something to lay down so you can lay that bumper face down. I was trying to get it with the bumper sitting up, and there was just no way because the clips want to move everywhere because you got to keep them loose so you can get the bumper tabs inside there. So yeah, lay it face down, get something soft, and lay it face down. So wanted to give that little tip because that helped tremendously. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the bumper back on the car. It's not fully bolted in yet, but I'm sure you guys don't want to be bored with all that. But we've got it hanging there. You can hang it on the little tabs, whatever you want to call it, on the front. Got the side pieces clipped on, so it's pretty much up there, just, you know, a bunch of screws. So, and of course, the belly pan. But man, look at that. That totally changes the look of the car. I'm digging it, man. Oh, that is so sweet. Check that out. I'm pretty pleased with this grill, and I have to say, this thing comes way out there. Like this right here, I mean, the stock one I think comes back like this far, or at least the Icon did. Man, it comes way out, so it gives it a totally different look in the front there. I'm kind of liking that, man. That looks pretty sweet, no doubt. And of course, the bottom grill, also grill delete. It's really dark in there, man. With the black heat exchanger, it's hard to really see what's going on here, especially with the light behind. But that's what I'm working with. Gotta have the doors open. It's getting warm out. Man, that looks really good. And also the splitters, the turn signal splitters, I guess is what you call them. Those are Icon. They actually fit really well. So I'm really disappointed with the grill, man, because a lot of the other stuff that they have fits really well. These fit really good. I think they give it a little bit more aggressive, a little bit different look to the front of the car. Totally transforms the front from what it looked like before. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging that. Looks really aggressive. That's what we want. We want to show some aggression this year, because hopefully this car is gonna move out at the track. We'll see. But there it is, the Cervinis upper grill, the grill delete on the factory lower grill, and the Icon turn signal splitters installed. Good to go. All right, so real quick, I do want to mention that I will not be doing the grill giveaway. I just can't give away a part that I know is not going to fit. I don't want anybody else to run into problems and just have a bad experience. There's no sense, no matter if the parts are free or whatever, there's no sense in giving away these grills if I know they're not going to fit and they're not going to look good. So I just wanted to put this in the video here so you guys will know that I will not be doing the giveaway. My apologies on that, but like I said before, I don't want to send a bad product to somebody and them have a bad experience. So that is gonna do it for this one. Man, I'm glad I got this done for the most part. Like I said, still gotta put all the screws in, but it is what it is. But man, huge shout out to Jay for coming out and helping me out. Triple Threat Motors on YouTube. He's got his own channel. So you guys go check it out, man. Triple Threat Motors. Check him out. He does a lot of cool stuff. He does a lot of lighting, LED lighting. So you definitely, if you are into lighting, you definitely want to check that out. But like I said, it's going to do it for this one. I'm glad I got it done. And yeah, move on to something else. Like the lift. I need to move on to the lift. I need to get that bad boy installed so we can start using it. This should be the last time that Project Stepchild is on jack stands. I hope, man, because oh man, ready to use this lift. But anyway, that's gonna do it. Hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We got more coming. And we'll see you on the next one.